How to hide your Shopify store from public. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to hide your Shopify store from the public or put a password for it. So the password is going to restrain people from accessing your website, only those who has the password. For example, admins or special type of clients. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we are going to face up the admin dashboard. Now what are we going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the left side of the screen, select from the sales channels the online store, click on it, and then we're going to have the themes, pages, and preferences. Now as you can see, and this in a notifying message, your online store is password protected. To remove password, pick a plan. That means that not everybody could access our password, or not password, but basically our website or your store. So we can go ahead and have the password. In my case, I have the restriction or the obligation to have it restricted or hidden. Why? Because I do not have a plan. But in your case, if you have already a subscription plan on Shopify, you can go ahead and remove it or put it away whatever you want, whenever you want. So we're going to head over the preferences, and we're going to see the first thing pop in, which is going to be the store access. We have password protection, which is on. Normally it is going to be letting you switch that switch, but in my case I have a restriction for the plan not bought. So basically you are going to have a password and also a message to the visitors. You can go ahead and turn that on and have the password like this and also a message to the visitors. So for example, I'm going to open up my store. It is going to be showing in my case, but if I am going to have here a new tab, which is going to be normally an incognito tab, I'm going to put it like this, and I'm going to enter, it is going to be something like this. So we are going to have this message instead. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.